Hello, you all. So, this is Arvind, and this is a weekend Sunday, and I am here to talk about one thing. Each one of us must be going through the things that I am going through right now. Yes, actually, I am going through the journey of self transformation. Yes, actually, I'm in a community right now. You can say I'm in a like-minded people I am having right now. The people who are stuck somewhere, they find it difficult to get out of that situation. They are not content in some or the other way. If I talk about me, I right now am having decent job, decent salary, and basically decent life. My family members, my father, my mother, my wife, she's happy with what I am right now. They just say to me time to time, just get promotions and. But what I feel, yes, I'm talking about myself. What I feel is there's something missing. There's something missing that I am not able to fill that gap, not able to connect the dots. So one day I was just searching through the YouTube, searching through the social media on FB, Facebook. So I got to, I run out of. I just clicked some of the link advertisement that popped at that time. Okay, we can talk about it later. As my today's topic, what I want to talk about is self-transformation. Yes. Actually, I have been avid reader. The time I was preparing for my MBA exams, I was reading a lot. Actually, I got into the reading habit due to that because reading comprehension part that comes in the MBA exam. So from there, it has been 7-8 years. I got into reading, and that time in few months or few years, I read lots of books. And when I tend to read these books, I started my journey reading from storybooks, the Harry Potter book, and then novels, stories, the Chetan Bhagat novels, Mr. Chetan Bhagat, then Amish Tripathi. Then I went on to Robin Sharma books and many other great personalities. So when I was reading those books, basically I'm talking about self-help books. So that time, हम इतनी चीज़ें पढ़ते थे तो हमेशा दिमाग में आता था कि ये चीज़ें पॉसिबल हैं. दिमाग में क्या आता था पहली चीज़ कि लाइक दे आर ऑलरेडी अ सक्सेसफुल पीपल, they are expert in their fields, respective fields. So that is why they are just preaching like, you do this, you will get this, you do this, you will get this. That was my mindset. But as I said earlier in the start of the video, I am right now in self-transformation journey, and I am happy to tell that the things that is been shared by rich people, successful people, they are true. Yes. If I talk about Robin Sharma, he tend to tell us about the habits. In many of his books, you will see it tends to talk about habits that you need to inculcate in ourselves to excel in life in whatever field you are in. So, with the help of the community I am in right now, you know, people, like minded people who want to grow, want to excel in life from the situation they are to the situation they want to go. And in return, what I am feeling right now, that yes, there is abundance of everything. Yes, you know, एज भी हम एक कोट सुनते हैं, हमेशा से सुनते आए हैं, हम जो चाहते हैं हमें वो, हमने ये सुना है कि हम जो चाहें वो हमें मिल जाए, पर ऐसा होता नहीं है अक्सर हमारे साथ. द थिंग्स दैट वी वांट, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट वी गेट दैट एवरी टाइम वी गेट दैट. हमें करना क्या होता है, हम जिस चीज़ के लिए डिवोटेड होते हैं, जिस चीज़ के लिए वर्क करते हैं, वो चीज़ हमें मिलती है. द थिंग यू गो फॉर, you give your dedication, you take actions, that thing you are, it's for sure that you will get that. It may take some time, some months, some years, but it is true that definitely will get that, achieve that thing. So guys, this is a weekend. I'll not preach you, but the basic idea is, when we feel abundance and when we change few things in ourselves, it is only that way we are going to change our, if we are in that position, if we are not changing anything, mere thinking is not going to get us anywhere. Because we know lots of things, but if we not implement, otherwise we are not going to take a step, even a step further in our life. So I am grateful to the community, to the mentors, to the commenters with whom help I am able to achieve this mindset. And in due time I will learn more things, and definitely I will share. Why I said this, why I will share, because this is one thing that I have learned from our school time, what we have been learned, or how we have been groomed in our school level or college level, that don't cheat. Yes, actually cheating is not a good habit, we know this, but copying good things, it's either not bad. So this is it for time being. The right time will come to you and you will know the worth of this self transformation journey. I hope you all will get to it sooner or later, and you will be amazed when you will be in this journey. So this is it for time being. I'll come and feature new videos and tend to share my experience, the things that I am learning, new things. So people, be happy, be safe. Thank you.